Hi guys, Celai here, and welcome back to another episode of my beauty series. And today we're going to be making a witch hazel and tea tree oil toner. Alright, so just to let you guys know, tea tree oil and witch hazel are like the bare minimum. Even if you don't really want anything on your face, this is probably the one thing that you would definitely want to make. Alright, so we are going to be using tea tree oil, and as you guys know, if you've ever used tea tree oil, it's like anti-acne basically. It literally like anti-anything inflammatory, bacterial, and fungal, yeah. And it also calms redness and inflammation. So we're going to be using witch hazel, and it is alcohol free, and the astringent properties of witch hazel are amazing. Alright, let's get started. So we're going to be adding our witch hazel first, because it's our base, even though we usually do the extract first anyway. Okay, that's a lot. Okay. Now, onto our tea tree oil. And we're going to be adding 2 drops, and if your skin's sensitive with, tea tree oil, you could add 1 drop or just however many drops. We're just gonna add 2. Okay, well that's it. I'm just gonna shake that up, this up. All right. Oh, it's a tornado. I didn't see it. So this is what it looks like. It's clear, looks like water, but don't drink it because you might die. Okay, now let's put this on my face. Alright, so that is it, and now you guys know how to make the most basic of basic toners. So whenever you're buying tea tree oil, make sure that you buy 100% essential oils. It's right there. Yeah, and just make sure that you don't get the blend of the like a whole bunch of oils and then it just has a little bit of tea tree oil, because like me, my face does not like oil at all. So if you put it on your face, you're gonna break out completely and you're gonna have to start all over again. So just make sure that when you buy it, you check to make sure that it's 100% pure essential oils. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below if you just ever made anything mixed with tea tree oil, or you just, put it straight up on your face like my sister. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye!